You're dealing with roaches in your home and you're at a loss. You tried everything. You called the pest control company, you sprayed yourself, tried the DIY tricks on YouTube, and nothing's working. You're at a loss, you're lost, and you need help. Mentally, you're destroyed because no one really talks about that. Everybody talks about the cost of getting rid of roaches, but mentally, it kills you. It destroys you. It makes you feel hopeless that you're never going to get out of this mess. You can't invite friends over. You're scared to go places because you might bring them around. You are just terrified of making people aware you have roaches. And I understand that. I used to live with roaches. For 10 years, I used to live with roaches. Scared to bring anything out the house, going to school, wherever it may be, I was terrified to do it. That's why I made a free community called German Roach Academy, helping people like you get rid of your roach problem quick and efficiently. Now, I'm going to say it's going to take work. Yes, it's going to take work to get there. But if you put in the work, I can guarantee you your roach problem will go away. I can guarantee you the roach problem will subside like poof and you will be roach free. How does that sound? Going to your kitchen, not seeing roaches. Going to your bedroom and not being afraid to go to sleep. I know you want that. So join the community so I can help you. I'm there. I guide people to what the desire you want. So be there. I'm there for you. I'm here for you. And I will help you get rid of your roaches step by step, giving you the proper systems to do so. So you want that. Follow the link below and I will be there to help you. All right? So see you.